linking leads to accounts was very powerful. We were able to target everyone from an account that we have in a database. Because normally in the ABM programs, you have, say, a list of, and you would just target people who are under that account in Salesforce. Quite often, you start a campaign for one account. There's some interest within that organization, and new people start coming in because, your marketing is working and they want to learn more about your company. But they all come in as new leads. They don't get attached to the account, right? And then you continue talking to that list of people that were in the account already, but you might be missing a lot of other people who are maybe even more interested, or maybe they're the decision makers, And by linking all of those folks into the account, we can make sure that it doesn't happen, that we can actually target everyone who is associated with that account. And salespeople can see, okay, I have this account, there are 10 contacts under this account, but there are also 20 leads that came in from this company. And they can either call them, email them, qualify them, convert them to the account, and boom, we have, instead of 10, we have 30 people we can talk to. And that's sometimes makes or breaks, a deal. Ringlead definitely did have impact on our pipeline and revenue growth in terms of making sales teams more efficient, and it prevented sales from wasting time on duplicates and leads that are from customer accounts. Our reporting became more accurate, for sure, because we are able to tell how many truly new names or new logos we brought into the system, how many customer requests came in, how many new company names came in. Before we had Ringlead, it was very difficult to say what is the number, because we have a lot of large accounts and we have requests coming in from just new people in those accounts. So they work in that large company, but they were never in our database before they came in. And before we had Ringlead, it would look to us that it's a new request. It's like a new logo request. And especially when they might type in the company name in different format. So it's difficult to catch that it's actually existing account. And with Ringlead, with the lead to account association feature, we were able to kind of solve this problem and make sure that all of these people get connected, they get linked to the corresponding account. And people who are not linked to corresponding accounts, we know that they're really truly new people. And we've been seeing very good financial results for the past 3 years, so we must be doing something right.